In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Kuda account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in app.kuda.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Kuda. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you do not have the account yet, click on this option, open an account, and you'll be able to create the account for yourself. If you want to sign in to your account, what you have to do is type in the email address linked to your Kuda account. Click on the field of email address. Now provide your email address over here. Make sure to enter the correct email address. Now after you do that, click on the field of password and enter the password over here. Now after you enter your credentials, click on this option sign in and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Kuda account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.